everybody, and welcome to the channel. Oh my goodness, it's much later in the day when I'm filming, so if I'm like not as like it's because I'm filming later in the day and I'm not used to that. Anyways, today we are unboxing my Ipsy Glambag for September. This arrived a few days ago, but I was telling you guys in my Slate Glambag unboxing, I'm just really behind. Like that whole doing the beauty room has set me behind on so much. So I'm playing catch up once again, but you know, it is what it is. GuruNanda actually sent over some of their goodies. If you follow me over on TikTok, I've been talking a lot about the GuruNanda products, and I guess I'll start talking more about them over here. I mean, I do in some of my empties, but if you guys are looking for affordable, like if you're on a health and wellness journey and you're looking for more affordable type of options, then definitely consider checking out GuruNanda. I'll have everything linked and listed down below, of course, for you guys. I want to give a huge shout out and thank you to my YouTube members for helping to support the channel. You don't have to, but you choose to, and I appreciate each and every single one of y'all. To those of you that are clicking the thanks button and tipping the channel, if you will, thank you guys so much. And if you are returning or new to the channel, welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here we embrace the hot mess. We sit back, relax. This is a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we keep it cute or put it on mute. Does everybody abide by that? No, but would you please maybe try? Please try. Okay, we're going into the fall. We're going into the winter, and your girls mental health just doesn't do well in those months. I only do good in the summertime and the spring when the sun is out. That's what I do. So anyways, let's get to unbagging this. Actually, let's get into talking about the GuruNanda stuff. GuruNanda is actually sold at Amazon and on Walmart, and they actually have a website, and they're actually in the TikTok shop as well. So if you shop on TikTok, they're on there. Like I have it in my TikTok shop. So the first thing that they sent over, and I had actually already ordered this because I plan on testing this one out as well. If you follow me on my channel, HOTMESS MOMMA or HOTMESS in the Kitchen, I talk about parasite cleanse here and there. I haven't done like a sit down video about it, but I wholeheartedly 100% believe in parasite cleanses. If you don't, that's cool. All right. I'm not going to argue with you. Anyways, this is the GuruNanda Step 1 and Step 2 Parasite Cleanse. It's like $19.98, Amazon, Walmart, what have you. And what I really love about this, just at looking at it, is the fact that a lot of parasite cleanses are only a parasite cleanse. They don't have the binder. And if you, I had to learn this the hard way. If you are doing a cleanse and you don't take a binder, guess what? You're going to end up sick. You're not gonna feel good. You need the binder to collect the gunk to get out, okay? So that's one thing that I really liked, and I feel like a lot of brands out there, although they may be really good, I feel like they do what they can to earn money. I mean, we're in a world where, yeah, I mean, that's kind of the whole name of the game, make that money. But the one thing that GuruNanda talks about a lot, the owner talks a lot about healthy living and making it affordable for more people. So it's not, you know, not in arm's length or whatever. I don't know what that analogy is. I'm getting a little tired. Sorry, guys. So this is everything you need for your parasite cleanse. You've got Step 1 that you will take, and then a lot of times most people at nighttime will take Step 2, which is the binder, which is the, you know, collecting it and everything. Now, keep in mind when you are doing a parasite cleanse, you do have to make sure to kind of, you know, take a break, because eggs are going to hatch and then you got to start over again. All right, so I'll pop up right now at what point in time that I start doing the Ipsy Glambag unboxing, because I know I'm gonna have somebody in the comment section whining about it like it's their channel. So PMS, it's in full effect. Sassy and classy, Rhonda, sassy and classy. All right, next thing in here, this is like my second or third box. This is the whitening strips. This is a 7-day supply, y'all. And if you have sensitive teeth, you're gonna want this. It's $9.99, 7-day supply. It's absolutely amazing. I don't have any issues with it whatsoever. I keep it on at least 30 minutes. You can leave it on up to 60, but I don't want to push my luck. Like 30 minutes is good. It works. I mean, you guys know, like all I have on is my lip duo with OFRA Cosmetics. I don't put lipstick on to make my teeth look whiter when I'm reviewing a product, and I did do a review on this. It works great, and it's natural coconut oil, and I don't know, it's really, really good, and it's really affordable. So if you're looking for something fast, you want to see your teeth, you know, in a week go whiter, pick this up. It's off Amazon. You can't beat it. They also sent over, and I had already purchased this, the D3K2 Black Seed Oil. I was giving this to my baby child when 17. Came home not feeling too great, was from, you know, getting this back to school crud. I just put this in a little bit of water. You could put it in juice, I guess, if you wanted to, and just had them like take a shot of it, and I think it helps. And it's also good for bone health, immune support. Black seed oil, look into it. This is another thing that I've been taking, is the Digestiva, and I take this in the morning. I just take 2 a day normally in the morning with warm water, and I feel like for me it really helps. It's not like a laxative, but it just really helps to push things through. It's great. Next in here is, and I've talked about this before when I talked about their oil pulling, it always typically comes with a toothbrush, and I oil pull all the time, have for years, and I love this because not only is it just coconut oil, but it has a mint flavor, it's got vitamins in it, everything, and it's great for gum and teeth health. And then this, if you brush your teeth like a monster, and every dentist you go to is like, Rhonda, you're brushing your teeth too hard, get this soft bristle toothbrush. It was actually formulated for cancer patients, and he came up with this, and it's a value pack 6, and it's super soft. It's good for your gums, especially if you have receding gums, and it's crazy affordable. He's not trying to make an arm and a leg and a left kidney off of us, which I love. Next in here is the Golden Immunity drink mix, and I also purchased this, and it's rich in antioxidants, and it's an immune support, it's healthy inflammation response, and if you're starting to feel a little icky, I put this, I make golden milk with it. I just warm up some almond milk and drink it, get a 30-day supply. And last but not least, and it was so funny, my girl Jody was asking me about this, and I hadn't picked it up yet, and they ended up sending it to me. It's the whitening mouthwash. It's enamel safe. It doesn't have like all the alcohol and stuff in here. It's got natural essential oils. It's supposed to help whiten your teeth, freshen your breath, and I mean, the reviews on here are wonderful. So anyways, I'll have all of this linked and listed in like my Amazon storefront for you guys. Definitely make sure to check them out. There's some things in here that I have not tried, so I'll keep you guys posted on that. But everything else I've tried, I like, and it's affordable. Anyways, let's go ahead and move into our Ipsy Glambag for September. Now, when it comes to this bag, you do get to make one choice. You do get to make one pick for your bag every month. Now, do I remember what mine was? Absolutely not. Not at all. Actually, I don't even know if I made a choice. I don't think it prompted me. But anyways, you do get a card. It's $13 a month. There's a $1.99 handling fee. And I think at the end of the day, it comes to about $16. Can I just say this bag is heavy? It's really cute. And I told you guys when I received it in PR, it didn't really remind me of like a fall bag, which I love, because to me, fall doesn't start until October, November, whatever. Anyways, the first thing I have is the Hey Honey Show Your Glow. This was actually something that I did receive, I believe, in PR. This is a good little product, but I will put this aside for a future giveaway for you guys. It'll probably be in the next couple videos. I finally got everything shipped out. Well, I take that back. Labels are put on. I have to ship it out tomorrow, so whatever. All right, next in here we've got the Evening Detox Cleansing Water, a no-nonsense nighttime cleanser to purify and revitalize. Oh, this works. Huh. So how do you use it? Directions: squeeze onto a cotton ball. So, oh, it's a liquid. Okay, so it's like a toner, I guess, type of dealio. I've never tried this before. I guess I could read it to you guys. This works Evening Detox Cleansing Water. Okay, well, I'm a little tired, and I probably said that in the first time around. This does have a retail value full size of $33. It is going to effectively remove any dirt and impurities from your day, but gentle enough for sensitive skin. Oh, I like that, because I honestly was going to give this away because I was like, my skin is kind of getting sensitive. Packed with sweet almond oil, organic aloe vera, and licorice root. It leaves, okay, I'm really happy about this. It leaves your skin clean, ready to conquer the world. All right, so I will definitely try this. Is there a scent? Oh, it smells very spa-like. So I'll keep you guys posted. I will actually use that because, like I said, at first I was like, I'm good, no thanks, but I'll definitely check that out. Next in here, I got the Shayna B. This is Shayna B Miami Liquid Lippy. I don't know why my camera is acting a fool. Like, I don't know where to... It's that pillow, isn't it? Hey, you guys like my Temu pillowcases? So cute. I don't know if I'm in or out of focus, so hopefully it figures itself out. Little information, this has to be full size. Yeah, $18 retail value. Maximize your lip lacquer longevity with this long wearing and ultra hydrating gloss. Ooh, okay. I thought it was gonna be more of like a matte style. This reminds me, of not what I thought. That is so much lighter than I thought. Look at that. I thought it was gonna look like this e.l.f. liquid lip oil dealio that I used to wear all the time, but that is much sheerer and almost frosty than what I was thinking. I like that. Okay, next in here we've got the Levito Aromatic Body Lotion. I had not seen this brand around in a hot minute. Do you guys remember that? Got patchouli in there. It's hydrate, nourish, and protect. Huh. Like, I remember the first time it ever showed up in Boxy, we're all like, what? Never heard of it. So this does have a retail value of $19 for the full-size version. It's a decadent body lotion. Not only nourishes and hydrates your skin, but it also leaves behind the sweet and earthy fragrance of patchouli and vanilla. That sounds really nice. And then last in here, we've got the Tarte Amazonian Clay. Did I pick that? I think I may have picked that. I got 32 neutral medium, and it has a retail value of $40 for the full size. Maybe I did. I did, maybe. I don't know. I'm in my head because I'm like, you've been talking too much. Somebody's going to complain about it. Why are you going to let that bother you, Rhonda? I don't know. I don't know. I'm tired. Okay. Sometimes I'm really like that little girl meme that says she's tired, she's going to take a nap. Yeah, that is me. Yeah, okay. Anyways, I mean, like, all the times that I like skipped naps as a kid, you seen that meme and you're like, what were you thinking? And I'm like, I don't know, what was I thinking? Is my lash probably popping off? Yeah, it's fine, and I'm not worried about it. Anyways, that is everything in the Ipsy bag, and I mean, honestly, I'm shocked by it. I'm pleasantly surprised, which makes me really happy, Ipsy. So anyways, y'all, that is everything in my Ipsy for September. I don't think it was that bad. I really, truly don't. I'm honestly kind of excited to play with the Tarte Amazonian Clay. It's a 16-hour foundation. So we'll see how it works. It's supposed to help reduce the look of pores, fine lines, and wrinkles. You got your work cut out for you, Tarte. We'll see. Anyways, thank you again to GuruNanda for sending these goodies over my way. And as always, I will have, like I said, that linked in my Amazon storefront. Anyways, I'm hopping off for now. I just received, well, I received it a few days ago. I'm a little behind. My BoxyCharm by Ipsy. It's almost been a year, if not a year, and your girl still struggles with that. But anyways, my BoxyCharm by Ipsy. Don't remember what I picked, so that ought to be fun too. So anyways, check me out on my other channel, Hot Mess Mama Vlogs, where I do curvy girl fashion hauls over there. Hot Mess in the Kitchen, where I'm slowly but surely starting to do some what I eat in a day videos. Of course, I'm on TikTok and Instagram at HotmessMomma04. Check out Built Bar's new flavors and Martha over at the Good Candle. And of course, all links and everything, if I can make them affiliates, will be down in my description box down below. I do believe I have still an Ipsy link if you want to sign up for the glam bag as well. Anyways, friends, I'm hopping off, and I'm gonna jump off and film this Ipsy by BoxyCharm. I'll see y'all in the next video, okay? Your girl's a little tired. I guess I've been doing this thing where I'm like going to bed crazy early because I'm like, I want to get all my hours in. But guess what it's doing? I'm getting amazing sleep. But I'm waking up at 5 something in the morning. I am not part of that 5 a.m. club. No ma'am. No. But it's making me. Okay, I'm hopping off for now. Until next time. Kisses from Kentucky. Bye.